Alright, I'm opening up the Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike Booster Pack. Let's get right into it.
Alright.
Oh yeah, open it up, baby.
Ooh.
Quiet on set!
Got a big Gengar.
Ooh, that's a Mega Gengar.
It's a real big fucking Mega Gengar.
Hey, no swearing.
Oh shit.
Watch your fucking language, dude.
Stop fucking touching, buddy.
This is kids-friendly content. We're doing a Pokemon card opening. You're having a real tough time opening that.
Oh yeah.
You open packs of Pokemon cards like a fucking incel.
How do you do it?
Do you need me to do it?
No.
Look, I'll do it for you.
Wait.
Oh, he's got it.
Bro.
Okay, he just...
Alright.
Bit it like a fucking barbarian.
No way you're reselling that pack.
What? Okay, my resale values.
Remember, 3 to the front. Hey, no, don't spoil it.
I did not spoil anything. No, I just checked. It's fucking... You take 4, and then 2, and then you put it in there. Alright. Basic Dewpillar. Basic Meowth. Got a basic Onix. Basic Choodle. Got a basic Shroomish. Fighting type energy card. Cross receiver trainer card.
Kind of looks like
Stage
Gabe.
1 Simsage.
Doesn't it look like Gabe?
Simisage.
It looks like Gabe.
It's literally Gabe.
Dude, that's me.
Trainer Sydney. Oh, reverse hollow. Basic Turtonor?
Is that the last one?
Nope. Rillaboom V! Wow. Rillaboom V.
Oh my God. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in on this episode of Pokemon card openings. I know the channel's all over the place. That's all I have to say. Have a good one. Love you guys.